In this tutorial, we are building a journey to create Freshdesk tickets for new Gmail emails. So let's start. Select Gmail as a trigger. Then choose Get Email as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter the label, in this case Inbox. Now in steps, we have to create a ticket in Freshdesk. For that, select Freshdesk. Choose Create Ticket as Action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter requester's email address. Add subject and description using Gmail app data. Enter status. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now we will check the output. Go to Gmail, compose email and send. Then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Freshdesk. We can see a new ticket being created. In this way, we can create an automation journey to create Freshdesk tickets for new Gmail emails. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.